in today's video we are going to learn how to print multiples data in Excel using a drop down list. So I have my data here and I have this drop down and I want to print each country in the drop down list. So I'm going to do that using a code. The code we provided in the description below. So let's get started. So first of all, we save our work as macro enabled. So choose macro enabled, then where you want to save your work, you click on saved. Okay, so we'll go to developer. If you don't have the developer, you go to files, you click on options, then you go to customer ribbon, then you see the developer here. You just have to check it. Then after that, then you come to Visual Basic, then you come to insert module. Okay, so I'm going to copy my code here. So that is it. So let me make some changes in the code. So here my data is starting from B2 up to Jane 7. So I'll make some changes in the code. So B2, so B7. Okay, so B7. Okay, so you can see B7 up to G. So I'll change this one instead of K to G. The reason is because the data range is from B2 up to B7 and up is ending at G. So to print within this range for me. Okay, so now let's continue. And then the sheet name. So let's check for the sheet name, the sheet I am using. So we have to change the sheet name, otherwise it will not work, because I have multiple sheets. So we have to check for the sheet name, and it is sheet 2. So here will be sheet, instead of sheet 7 will be sheet 2. Here to be sheet 2, sorry. And then this place is supposed to be sheet 2, and then sheet 2. And then let me see, the drop down list is in J2. So I will change this one instead of M and make it J2. Okay, alright. So now the first code will print 1, the selected data. Okay, and then the second code, which is this one, will print all. So here we'll just make only one change. So instead of the M, to make it J2, and then we'll change this one to also J, and then here will be sheet 2. Okay, alright, so that is it. So our code is ready. So we'll come and create buttons that will enable us to print our data. So that is it. So I will name this one, let me customize it, print selected. Okay, and then I'll duplicate it, Control D, and name this one print all. Okay, so let's assign the macro. So we go to assign macro. This one will be selected, and this one will be print all. Okay, let me check something. Okay, so this one will be the print selected. Okay, so when I click on print selected, you can see to print first data, which is China. Okay, to print that of China. Okay, now we can, okay, so we can see this broken line. So it means that just our data. So come to page layout, and then the sheet. Let me adjust the sheet small so that Alright, so when I click on print all, you can see, so it's printing everything here. So that is it. So this is how you can print multiple data in Excel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.